Little Excavator by Anna Dewdley. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa thumpa, bumpa bumpa, beep beep beep. Can you see Little E ready on the spot? He's a little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble. If you'd like to listen to the rest of this story, or full versions of other stories we have read, please check us out on Spotify or YouTube at Quiet Books for Bedtime. If you like the content, please consider a donation through patreon.com/Quiet Books for Bedtime, as donations allow us to purchase more books to read for the show. Thank you, and stay snuggly.